So here's a rundown of base cabinet types. This is an overview of all of the base cabinet types, the standard ones anyway. Standard and sink have the same top drawer, front, and doors. Tall two doors, a two-door version, a three-door drawer version, and a four-drawer version. Drilling into the standard base cabinet, you can see here the carcass construction with edge banding on the fronts. And here's an exploded view that shows the sides, the bottom, the spanners, the nailers, which could be in a rough plywood, the back, which is call it quarter-inch material, and sliders. Here's a very similar sink base carcass, but this has a tall spanner in the front and a narrow 2-inch spanner to cover the gap where the doors would show through. A tall two-door base cabinet, which is the same as the standard, except only one spanner. Three-drawer base carcass, which now has three spanners on the front, a four-drawer carcass, which has four spanners on the front. And now some interesting ones, a blind corner base carcass, 48 right hand. This would be for either shelves or something like a magic corner accessory. So this door would open to the right, and here are the spanners. This one's special because it does have a front panel and a couple of fill panels to bridge the gap to the adjoining cabinet that goes on the right-hand side here. This would be for a corner application. Parts are called out here. You can see the quantities. Here's a fun one, a dog feeding cabinet. So this one has a plate for the dog bowls or cat bowls, a cabinet above for supplies, and this is very similar to the other constructions, a little bit different parts. The fills and ends, so fills I'll do first. So these are finished panels in white. The darker one is a rough panel. These fills are built ahead of time and then trimmed or scribed to match walls or to create gaps between cabinets. They can be 4 inches, 3 inches, 2.5, whatever's needed. 2.5 is a recommended bare minimum. 3 is better. That just leaves room for doors and drawer boxes to move. And then on the end panels, there's two choices where you may have an upper finished end panel with a lower furniture base molding below it, or you could have an extended door that's 34.5 inches tall that goes all the way to the floor.